Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. What are you doing, Tākaro Tribe?
We're playing blind man's bluff. Ah, you're having lots of fun.
Ooh, my puku is flashing.
Ko Pāpā Rākau tēnei.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Kia ora, Is everyone there?
Ai.
Me ētahi. Me too.
Ngā mihi, Tākaro Tribe. You too, Wao. You're very special.
Ngā mihi e pā. We're playing blind man's bluff. We've been running round a lot.
I'm sorry to interrupt your fun, but I have Ngeru with me, and she has a problem. Will you help her, Tākaro Tribe?
Ai, Pāpā Rākau.
Then come visit me, but remember to see Kōkā first.
Ka pai. Let's go see Kōkā.
Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā. We've been playing blind man's bluff.
That's wonderful.
When I have the blindfold on, I can't see.
You can't see because you've covered your karu, eyes. How many eyes do you have?
2.
I can hear Pāpā Rākau calling you. He's waiting for you with Ngeru.
Ka pai, Kōkā.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Tākaro Tribe. You've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Ngeru is waiting for you, but she's very shy. Come out, Ngeru. Ngeru has a problem. She needs glasses to help her see properly. Ruru has glasses for her, but he's in the forest. She's too scared to go in there alone.
We'll take Ngeru into the forest, Pāpā Rākau.
That's very kind, Pooh will fly you all to Uru.
Yay!
What special word did Kōkā give you for today?
Karu. Eyes.
Do you know the different parts of your eyes?
How?
Let's take a look. The eyeball is round. The colored part is the iris, and the black center is the pupil. The pupil lets in light, and the lens behind allows you to see what you're looking at.
Ooh! Whoa! Gordiaske! Out of the way!
Whoa! Sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong.
Pooh, today you need to take Ngeru and Tākaro Tribe into the forest.
All good, Pāpā Rākau.
Don't forget your recycling bags.
Aye.
Ah, you can collect pepper, paper.
Aye.
You collect the krahe, glass.
Aye.
You're on kena, cans. Or you collect parakai, waste food. And the plastics.
Ka pai, Pāpā Rākau. It's time for our karakia. E te wānei e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne māhuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumi e hui e tai ki e. E noho rā, Pāpā Rākau.
Look below us, Tākaro Tribe. Ruru is an owl, and owls like the darkness of the forest. Can you see any owls?
I can see eyes looking at us.
Owls have big eyes so they can see in the dark. Backpacks off so we can collect rubbish. Look, Tākaro Tribe, we're in the heart of the forest and no rubbish to be recycled.
Yay!
Say hello to Ruru.
Kia ora, there's no need to be scared. Ruru will help you see better.
Wait, Kōkā just texted. She sent the word of the day. It's in the kete.
Where's the kitty?
There, on that toka rock. Karu is the word of the day.
Look! Kitty is wearing her new glasses.
She can see that Ruru is okay.
He's friendly. Yay!
See what you can do when you all mahi tahi? Work together?
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. You're back.
Ruru gave Ngeru new glasses. And now she can walk without bumping into anything. Hey, goodnight, Ngeru.
Ka pai. Let's take a look at what our friends have been up to today.
Māori Tākaro Tribe. Did you have a good day?
It was beautiful.
Let's take another look at what you did today. First, Pāpā Rākau asked you to help Ngeru, cat, because she can't see very well. So Pū took you all to Puru, who gave Ngeru new glasses. Now she can see. Plus you learned a new word, Karu. Ka-a-re-u. Ka-ru. Karu. Now that was a beautiful day. What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. For Māori, good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Roia tō mata, parai he hia o niho. Kuhuna o kakamoe po Māori e kuhu ki te moenga. Takoto iho ki raro e pai ai o moe moe a. Kia au